How to create a course in Beacons AI. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a course into your Beacons platform. For those who doesn't know what is Beacons AI or the Beacons.ai platform, it is going to be like a link in description or link in bio profile or platform that will help you to create websites, sell products, digital products, and selling, creating courses, having appointments set up, and also selling some digital products. So the creation of the account on Beacons AI is going to be very, very simple. So you are going to head over beacons.ai, then you are going to see this platform. Create your own account, and then you are going to see the home. The homepage will have the statistics of your total earnings and also the top followers that you have. So, in the followers, you're going to connect the social media accounts that you have. And from here, you're going to have all of these that are going to be following you from your bio or your description. So, if you're going to install or put Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, or Twitter, you're going to be welcome to connect one of these platforms. Then you're going to start counting your fellow followers. Now, as you can see here, we have the analysis of the posts, the clicks, and also the sales through the social media funnels. Now, aside from that, I'm going to let you see other features of the Beacons AI. When you're going to head over in the link in bio and website, you're going to have here the all, as you can see here, link in bio. You can see that we have some homepage. We have some multiple pages through the link in bio. We can design this link in bio, put some social media icons and also links, and set up the products that we have. For example, as you can see, I have put a product, which is going to be a product from Temu. So, aside from that, you're going to have also the ability to create websites. And these websites are generally going to be let's say, not that heavy using of a website, but they are going to be created like a landing page, a product page, or something like that, or a little blog or forum. So, aside from that, you're going to head over the products, and I'm going to show you how you can create a course or any type of product into this specific Beacons AI platform. You're going to head over my products, see all the products that you have created and also some of the suggestions. And then you're going to click on plus button, which is adding a new product. Now, from here on the free plan, you're going to get an unlimited number of digital products to create, an unlimited number of appointments created, and one only course on the limited plan. And the memberships could not be created because it is going to be a pro feature. So we are going to click on create a course, and then we're going to set up the course as you can see. Now here we have the design. You can go ahead and click on design. You can change the layout, the colors, and the fonts of that specific course. Also, the cover image or the illustration could be changed. So for example, you can have this specific original, as you can see the layout, put up in here. You can change the color palettes, as you can see, and all the colors or color palettes are going to be together established. So as you can see, the themes are going to be well used and also well marinated together, as you can see, to create that specific, let's say, aesthetic look into the page that you have. Aside from that, you can modify the color backgrounds instead of the print kits, as you can see, or the color palettes by changing the background color, the text color, the block background, and etc. But in my case, I'm not going to get here aside for the colors because it is going to be a question of taste. So depending on your taste, you're going to have here all of the bullets and also everything. Now for the font, also it is going to be customizable. So you can go ahead and add whatever font that you are going to see it, let's say suitable. You're going to get any of the fonts, as you can see, preview for the specific text, and then you're going to have it like that. Now, aside from that, you can go ahead and see the sections. The sections is going to be in here, which is going to be represented with the hamburger menu. So it is going to be a hide and also extended menu. You can add, for example, a product title and also put this as a title, like here, first course to, for example, to be rich. I don't know. Here, I'm going to just put this title like that. Then we can modify, for example, the price. It is not going to be $5, maybe 100. I don't know. You can go ahead and set up a price, pay what the customers want, mark as on sale, for example, for more marketing purposes, or make the product free. You can use here, as you can see, the favorite currency of yours. And also you can add a discount code and then you're going to connect your Stripe account to use this feature for the guaranteed payment plans. Now, aside from that, you're going to have the description. So you can put here any description that you want. You can select the type of the font or the text that you're going to put from heading 1 to small text, and then you can go ahead and add some internal images, as you can see, some linked objects or some linked, as you can see here, text. So you can go ahead and choose the alignment of the text and etc. Aside from description, you are going to see here the media, which are going to be represented in this section. They are going to be the illustration for that specific, as you can see, course that you are going to present. And also you can add an embedded video. Now, let's head over the limit product sales. You can go ahead and limit the product. Also, you can go ahead and have the affiliate share, which is going to be a new feature. So we are going to pay some affiliates to make, after we have, of course, sold the product with their links and etc. We have CTA buttons or the call to action. As you can see, you have your buy now. You can go ahead and put, for example, per purchase this like that and etc. So everything is going to be good in here. So we have the reviews. You can add some reviews in here, and then you are going to have everything in order. So it is going to be a product page like that. Now, aside from here, you're going to click on next. Then you're going to set up your course information to your list product. So this is the course page. So you can go ahead and put the course information. As you can see here, the title and description. Then you're going to put the banner, as you can see, of the course, and you can choose a thumbnail also to put it for that specific course. And here you are going to see that we have the introduction. You can add, for example, lessons or on one or multiple lessons. We have the module 2, which is going to be the let's say the body of the course, and you can add some module or put here, for example, let's say the conclusion of that course. Each one of the sections are going to be in this left side or the right side of the screen. You can modify anything in here. For example, the module 1 introduction. You can modify this, for example, for a video. Of course, when you are going to put a course, you need a video. So you are going to have a thumbnail. Also, you're going to have a video. Then you're going to click on the content, put, for example, the video URL. You need that. Then we are going to have, for example, the text content, downloadable file if you want to have that, because maybe you're going to put some of the illustrations and then etc. Now, you can add another course like that, and then you're going to put the title for it, also thumbnail, and then the content. For example, here you can go ahead and modify this by clicking on the lesson, put the URL, the video, or the text content for that specific direction, and here you have it. You're going to see the progress bar for the student or the buyer, as you can see in here, and then they are going to see if they have completed the course or not. For this, it is going to be the course thumbnail. Here we have the instructor details or the creator of the course. And then finally, you are going to set up your module or add or delete them. You can go ahead and see the sections. Also, you can go ahead and design whatever you want from here, from the appearances of the colors and also the font only. When you finish that, you're going to click on next. Then you're going to select where you are going to put that course in. For example, we are going to put it or list it in the store. Then you can go ahead and click on list product and boom, here we have our course. Then you are going to view on your link in bio. So you are going to launch it in here. Basically, you can go ahead and add your course right there. So here we have the product. I'm going to add it just like this. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. As you can see, this is the course. You need to set up the payment method. As you can see, we can connect only PayPal or Stripe if you want, and then you're going to have everything in here. So for the marketing tools or the advantages, you can go ahead and head over the marketing, and then you're going to need a plan to create or a paid plan to create the email marketing strategy. So you're going to have some link shorteners, more replies, email automations, email broadcasts, and overviews. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.